Evaluate the median performance and participation ratio for students enrolled in your school's science club. To evaluate the median performance and participation ratio for students enrolled in your school's science club, we need to follow a structured approach. Here's how we can do it. Median performance. The median performance refers to the middle score when all scores are arranged in ascending or descending order. If there's an odd number of scores, the median is the middle number. If there's an even number of scores, the median is the average of the two middle numbers. Participation ratio. The participation ratio could be interpreted in several ways, but if we consider it as a measure of how many students participate actively compared to the total number of club members, we might calculate it as the number of active participants divided by the total number of members. Step-by-step approach for median. Step 1. Collect data. Gather the performance scores and participation data for all students in the science club. Step 2. Sort data. Arrange the performance scores in ascending order. Step 3. Find median performance. If there's an odd number of students, the median score is the middle score in the sorted list. If there's an even number of students, the median score is the average of the two middle scores in the sorted list. Step 4. Calculate participation ratio. This could involve calculating the percentage of sessions each student has attended out of the total, then following a similar median calculation for these rates, if that's the data available.